This is Aziz Gool again, and today I want to talk to you a little bit more about what the prep work is before you decide to become an investor. So you've now got the capital available to you either through your income, which just as a reminder is $200,000 a year, or a net worth of $1 million excluding your home. And you now want to start looking at some of these alternative private market investments that are only available to sophisticated or accredited investors. So the first thing you need to understand is who you are as an investor. That's always the starting point. You need to understand whether you're an active investor or whether you're a passive investor. For active investors, you probably want to be more directly involved in your investments and the value creation process, as opposed to being passive, where you're more a fund level investor, relying on a manager or an investment house to manage your investments for you. And then you also need to really take the thinking time to decide what your investment criteria are. In other words, what are the sectors you're going to be looking at? What is your time horizon? What is the amount of capital in total you're looking to invest? Over how many companies will you diversify that investment in order to manage your risk? And also what type of investing you're going to do. Are you going to invest in listed investments or the public markets? Are you going to invest in growing companies through private equity, again, fund level or direct? And then, or are you going to go and chase unicorns and focus on early stage venture capital investments? What I see as the best route, and again, this is not investment advice, again, just from my personal experience, is, often it's better to start off as an angel investor, and really cut your teeth a little bit, get some experience, perhaps join a investment club or group of investors who are looking at similar investment criteria. Once you've done that, you can get into a more formalized system. The other way to start is, of course, to start on the fund level side, but however you choose to start, of course, speak to a financial professional or an accountant, your CPA, to understand exactly what it is that you're doing before you deploy any capital. So if you'd like to know more about how to if you'd like to know more about what your investment criteria need to look like, watch out for the next video and we'll cover this more in detail. If you enjoyed this video, found it valuable, subscribe for notifications of the next one and like it. I look forward to your comments below.